Chairman of Egor Local Government Council, Honorable Eghe Ogbemudia, don appreciate the Governor of Edo State, Gov Obaseki, for im quick intervention in fixing the third portion of the Uselu Shell Road wey collapse on Sunday. Honorable Eghe expressed her gratitude to the Governor when she go do check on the construction of the road. She can also throw a salute to the Commissioner for Road and Bridges, Etan Uzamere, and team say the people of Egor Local Government dey happy.
We are here at Ward 7 in Egor Local Government. This area is called Uselu Egbemudia community. I got a call yesterday morning, very early in the morning, from the councillor representing the ward that something like this happened in Ward 7. So immediately I called the commissioner, Etam, who is in charge of road and bridges, and I called the PS, engineer Nabulele, and he came here immediately with the group, with the commissioner, to inspect this place, and immediately the job has started. So I want to use this opportunity to thank our governor for this quick response. The people of Egor Local Government say thank you so much. Thank you to the commissioner for road and bridges. Thank you, engineer Bob Enabulele, for your love and support all these years for the people of Egor Local Government.
Uselu residents can also thank the Edo State Governor and the Egor Council boss for the quick response.
It happened in the morning, although no life was lost. It was yesterday I called Honorable Iwinosa Nabulele, and then he made a swift call to the chairman of Egor Local Government, though I did a recording of what happened, and then he sent the video to the chairman of Egor Local Government and also to the PS. And then I'm so happy them responding so swiftly to rectify the issue or the disaster that has happened in order to the road to become more tolerable again.
Coming next week, our children, the pupils and the students of Oluwa Primary School, they will resume. And this is an eyesore and it's risky for our children. And security to action before come resumption next week is a plus for her. Mama, God bless you. And the entire Uselu will say thank you very much.
Part of the Uselu Shell Road collapse on Sunday will make motorists stop to use the lane for a short period. However, in the early hours on Monday, 15th April 2024, excavator caterpillar and engineers don already dey ground to reconstruct the road. Make una no forget say, as we see am, na so we dey talk am, we no dey take blame. From Egor Local Government of Edo State, Chidinma Onwebu, TNC TV News.